Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to download, install and set up Apache Tomcat server. So let's get started. Open your browser and search for Apache Tomcat. Now click on the official website tomcatapache.org. Just open it. Now on the left side, you will see under the download section, please select Apache Tomcat 9 and open the download page. Now scroll the page. Under the core section, here you will find different download options. Just click on 32-bit, 64-bit Windows Service Installer to download the setup file. Once the download is complete, double click on the installer. Now the Apache Tomcat setup wizard will open. Click on next. Here it is saying accept the license and agreement. Just click on I agree. On the select components page, ensure you check host manager and examples. Then click next. Here configure the server. Here you give the server shutdown port number. So set it to 9090. Here it is asking connector port number. Set it to 9999. Here it is asking username. Give the username root. Here it is asking password. Give the password root123. After that, just click on next. The installation will automatically detect your Java JDK path. Here you will see. If you want to change, then go to browse and select the path. It is detecting because I have JDK 17. It has been automatically detected. Just click on next. By default, Tomcat install under C drive program files, but I prefer to install it under C drive, so I have to edit it. Now just click on install. Now it is installing. Once the installation is finished, uncheck the options. It is saying run Apache Tomcat, unmark it, just uncheck. It is saying show readme, just uncheck. Just click on finish. Now to verify the Tomcat installation, to check it if Tomcat is installed correctly, just open your browser and type http:// server is running in my own computer, so that's why we have to write localhost, then colon, then connector port number 9999, we have given that. After writing this URL, just hit the enter button to send the request from our browser to the server. If you see this site can't be reached, it means the server has not started yet. So to start the server, or go to your folder where you have installed, here you will see Tomcat 9.0. Just open it. Just go to bin folder. Here you will get Tomcat 9. See here. To start the server, just double click on it. Now you will see your server is started. You will see here server is started. You will see here your port number, connector port number with 9999. Now go back to your browser and just reload the page. If you see this page, that means we have successfully installed and configured our server. So that's how you can easily install and set up Apache Tomcat on Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.